A Wells Fargo secured credit card uses your own refundable deposit as collateral, and that deposit usually becomes your credit limit while you build credit history through regular reporting to the major credit bureaus. By the end, you'll know if this card is actually worth using for credit building, what it does well, where it falls short, and who should avoid it completely. Start with how it works in real life. You put down a security deposit when you open the account. That deposit sets your spending limit, and your monthly activity is reported to the credit bureaus. If you pay on time and keep balances low, that reporting is what helps your credit score move in the right direction over time. The main purpose here is credit rebuilding, not rewards or spending perks. This is important because the card is designed to be simple. It's meant to help you establish a payment history, not to give you extra features or benefits on top of that. Now look at what makes Wells Fargo different from other secured cards. One key factor is that it comes from a traditional national bank, which can make it feel more stable if you already bank with them, or prefer working with a well-known institution. Account management is usually straightforward through their banking system. Another part that matters is how the upgrade process works. Like many secured cards, there is a path to eventually becoming an unsecured credit card if your credit behavior improves. That means consistent on-time payments and responsible usage can lead to graduation over time, depending on account performance. Now the trade-off. Compared to more modern secured cards, this one is relatively basic. There are not many additional features focused on rewards or credit-building tools. That can actually help if you want a simple structure, but it can feel limited if you're expecting more flexibility or perks while you build credit. So the decision comes down to your goal. If you want a straightforward secured card from a major bank, and your focus is strictly rebuilding credit, this can work well. If you want more features, faster progression tools, or rewards while building credit, other secured cards may feel more useful. Quick recap. This card uses a refundable deposit, reports to credit bureaus, and focuses on simple credit building. It's stable, but it's also basic compared to newer options. Next step is simple. Only choose this if you want a no-frills approach, and you're comfortable building credit slowly through consistent payments. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear credit card breakdowns without the confusion.